Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna
You're the one arranging this meeting! Because I used to be with the Port Mafia. Oh, did I not tell you that? Iすごい腕力だね。荷運び業者の方が向いてる。ケイキラ君、分かったよ。ダザイ、はいよ。Wait, have you seen Candace? Candace? Who's Candace? From nothing at all.
It's filthy. What are you doing with the climbing rope?
Nothing, just moving it. Unrelated, do you know how to tie a noose?
Why would I know how to do that?
You were in the Girl Scouts?
Yeah, we learned how to tie knots to go on boats and shit, not hang ourselves.
Well, we're just assuming a whole lot today, aren't we?
Hey guys, what's going on? Why is the rope in here?
She was just asking me how to tie a noose.
And like, did you help her?
Should I?
Nicole, are you really trying to kill yourself again?
Yeah? No? Pick your favorite answer out of those.
Why would you help her tie a noose?
I didn't! Oh my god, I can't right now.
What's her problem?
What's your problem? We're not even 2 weeks back yet, and you're trying to hang yourself with the gym rope.
I know how to drop my pulse to 0, but only for 60 seconds. Run!
You seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, next when I buy you a mockingbird, I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you, I'll do anything for you to see you smile.
Dude, wait. I don't think we should talk to this guy. Why? He could be like mentally unstable. Dude, wait. bodyguard. Although he's probably more like a scared kitten when handling a lady.
Hey, Atsushi! Have you tried not being extremely odd lately?
Just a little repeat. I'm in the club, yeah, I'm 365 got girl. Should we put a little P? Should we have a little line on the real wall when I'm
Where's my prescription? Doctor, doctor, please listen. My brain is scattered. You can be Alice, I'll be the Mad Hatter. Pictures bringing me out the door.
They have a saying in the Fort Mafia. The biggest misfortune for Dazai's enemies is that they are Dazai's enemies.
See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
Is your memory card set correctly?
Shut up, you fucking slut. Jumping is not a class. This someone. First to make a move wins. That's what Mori would always say. The first to make a move always wins. Chuya, there's something you should know before I die, Fukuzawa. There's something I'd like to tell you before I die. The two of you are gonna sneak into the enemy hideout together. You won't be alone. Chuya will be there to assist you in your mission. Who's this someone you said myself, of course.
bro, I cannot wait to get home. What? Me too, bro. Bro, we've been waiting for a minute. Where's the pilot? I don't know. I was wondering the same thing. Damn, bro, how do you fly this shit? Sir, your mic is on. Oh shit, my bad, y'all. My name is Chase a Bag Mike. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. We're gonna be taking off here shortly once I figure out how to work this thing. Dog, why did you book this airlines? Bro, it was the cheapest one. What you want me to do? Thank you so much for trusting me to be your pilot. Hey, real quick before we take off though, where the baddies at? Nah, ain't no way I'm gonna make it home safe. I'm gonna tell my mom I love her. That's crazy.
Gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
Girl. Me too.
Let's fight. Ah, put that away, you psycho! Oh my god. Jesus.
Numerani Anata no Mitaru Shutatai. What's next? Karuji.
Saku, tell me what I should do. Be someone that protects people. If both sides are the same to you, then become a good man. Protect the vulnerable. some orphans. I know that the concept of good and evil doesn't mean much to you, but at least it would make your world a little more beautiful. You can't know that. Of course I can. I'm certain of it.